Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off daily screen time or to disable it. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our profile page. While we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in our top right corner. And we're going to select settings and privacy. That's the last option we have in this navigation menu. Here we're going to skip the account section and we're going to scroll down onto content and display, and we're going to select screen time. The first option we have here is daily screen time. As you can see, it is turned on. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to click on turn off. To turn off this daily screen time, you have to enter the passcode that you've set before when you turned it on. So enter your passcode. Click on next, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.